Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As you all have seen, my day has already begun. I am fresh out the shower. I have cleaned this rough face of mine. I'm about to do my morning skincare routine. And I got some things on the agenda for today. After I get dressed, I might go make me a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, and take these boys to swimming lessons. So you guys are coming with me for the weekend once again. If you guys don't know the job that I have, I normally work Monday through Friday and have the weekends off. So that's why the vlogs are starting off with spend the weekend with me. But don't know if I'm going to be at that job any longer. So that is for another video. As you all can tell, my voice is still a little deep. I only got up maybe like an hour or two ago. But yeah, let's get started on the skincare routine. I got all of my goodies, okay, in this little tray here. I got my mirror here in front of me. I have already showed you guys what I use to cleanse the face with. Now I'm about to apply the products for the rest of the day. So I'm going to start off with this witch hazel. As you can tell, it's rather new. I normally use regular old witch hazel. I end up buying this and I'm going to use it and get my money's worth. So I like using a flat cotton swab to cleanse or close in the pores, whatever you want to call it. Some of these things you have seen already if you've watched my previous vlog. But for the most part, I'm just going to be doing my quick skincare routine for the morning. And I always look at my cotton swab to make sure that my skin is clean. If I'm using those products in the morning to cleanse my skin, my cotton swab should not be dirty. Ow, ow, ow. I always do that to my nose ring and end up ripping it out or making it sore. But this is how she's looking. These are from the dollar store, so yes, they get very distorted. But it gets the job done. This is how she's looking. Let me get down here on my neck too. Whatever you do to your face, you should be doing to your neck too, okay, y'all? And I can actually take off the shower cap. If y'all noticed in my previous videos, I got my hair straightened. I was doing the flexi rods. So check out that video, guys, if y'all are interested. But that is step one. I actually let that soak into the skin just a little bit. And then I go in, sometimes I go in between this here or this one here as my first product. But today I think I'm going to go in with this, and it is the multivitamin serum. It has vitamin B, C, E, and nicotinamide, niacinamide. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Y'all get the drift. I'm going to take a couple of drops of that. And so I'll put it in the palm of my hand. And then I'm going to work that into the skin. And then I like to pat it. Then I like to go in with a serum, a collagen or like a retinol serum. But I'm going to go in with another serum and an oil. 2 oils actually. I use this on a daily basis. I'm gonna go in with this collagen serum. Take a couple of drops of those. Get under my eyes, sides of my nose, really, really good. Press that into the skin as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with these two serums. Not serums. I'm going to go in with these two oils. One is a vitamin C and the other is a turmeric. Now turmeric is for visible blemishes, and y'all know what vitamin C for, anti-aging serum, you know. Take a couple of drops of those on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll be heavy-handed when it comes to stuff like this, and that's why I run out of products so fast. I'm gonna take 1 and 1. Close those back up. And then I'm going to rub that into the skin as well. Make sure I always get under my eyes, my neck, around my mouth, and around my nose for sure. I even do my lips sometimes. Okay. My skin is going through some things, y'all, as y'all can tell. 1 minute is clear and 1 minute is back where it started. And I actually need to shave. I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. I'm not shave. I need to wax my chin. I normally do it myself. I don't normally go to a parlor and get it done. But up next, I'm going to go in with this. No, I'm not going to use that because that has some of the same things I already have. I like using this Dark Spot Corrector by Advanced Clinicals. It looks like this. I get it from my local like Marshalls. So that, and then this facial cream called Double Effect sometimes, and it's by the brand called Glam Fox. It looks like this. I love the facial cream, and I actually have the matching serum. They look like this. It's not sponsored. I literally picked this up in my local Marshalls. They're like under $5. But for today, I'm only going to go in with the Dark Spot Corrector. I'm going to go in with my Olay Complete 365 Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen, SPF 15. So I'm going to take a pump of that. It might be a little much. And then I'm going to take a little squirt of that. And I'm going to rub that in. You always want to include some type of SPF into your skin care routine, always. I switch between my products, but for the most part, everything I showed you is more than likely everything I use on a daily basis, you guys, literally. And I don't pay a lot of money for my skincare products. But I'm trying to debate, should I go ahead and get this wax out the way? I don't feel like heating up that wax machine. Shaving doesn't work for me at all. My skin is horrible. I'm thinking about trying Curology. I did a test, but then I didn't, go through with it. But I'm thinking about doing that. But this head of mask I completely brushed through on yesterday. I'm going to probably put a quick ponytail in it until I come back from getting these boys from swim lessons. So let me do that. As of right now, I got this wig brush that I've been loving. Comb all those kinks and tangles out of that hair. I got a scrunchie around here somewhere. Let me find that. Actually, it's right here, but I don't want it. I'm gonna try to pull this ponytail up just a little bit because I'm thinking about wearing a hat. got this little scrunchie right here. I'm trying to kind of make it low enough to where when I put the hat on, the ponytail will fit back there, like in the right spot. I love these scrunchies. I get them from my local beauty supply store. They don't do any pulling of the hair. They don't have those little claps on them. It ain't gotta be perfect. It just gotta lay down so that it can fit in that hat. Okay? Now, I'm gonna finish brushing that. And that's how the girl ponytail is looking, okay? That's how it's looking. Okay, so skincare is done. Ponytail is complete. Let's go get some breakfast or something and see what these kids is doing, so they can get out this door and go to these swim lessons. So this is how we looking, y'all. I guess I'll be waxing when I get home. Alright, y'all, taste test, okay? So, this is my first time making iced coffee on my Keurig. It has an iced coffee button. We have an ice maker, so I filled it up with ice. I put my cream, I put my caramel, I put a little bit of sugar. I shouldn't be having that, but I did make it that way. And then I pushed the iced coffee button on the Keurig machine. Oh my God, y'all, to die for, I think. So, moment of truth. Ooh, ooh, it tastes really, really, really good. I like it. It's not a full cup of coffee, which is okay because I don't need much. I'm about to get dressed. I already got the boys' stuff together for swim lessons. I'm about to get dressed and then we're gonna head out. I gotta figure out what hat I'm about to put on my head, but. Good morning, y'all. Last night we had dinner. It wasn't that great. I came home, did a little hookah, spent some time with my husband, and I went to bed. So I've already taken my shower this morning. We finna get ready for church. I am running behind time, like super behind time. But I'm gonna make it work. I have no idea what I'm wearing at all. But I always make it work. Always. So let me go ahead and do my little morning skincare routine. Maybe do a little makeup, maybe. Or maybe not. Just do some concealer or something. Who knows? I don't feel like all that. My skin is still going through some things. But yeah, I'm going to probably insert a few clips from service on today. Last week I didn't go to my own church. I went to a friend of mine's church and it was amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do this skincare routine and get ready for church. And I'll see y'all a little later. right, y'all, this is the end of the vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe, put on your post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. Comment down below if you guys are loving these vlogs. Like I said, I am off on the weekends, so I want to bring you guys along with me. I'm an introvert, so I don't get out as much, but when I do, I want to share with y'all. So if y'all enjoy it, comment down below. If y'all want to see some other videos from myself, comment down below. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. There are more vlogs to come. I am thinking about posting on Sundays. If not Sundays, it'll be on Wednesdays. Let me know what y'all think about those upload days down below. But besides that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.